Sole meunière is a typical French dish. To get my diploma as a chef, I had to learn how to make it. So I'm very happy to show you today how simple this recipe can be. Hi, I'm Marianne, I'm a French cook, and I'm here to share my best recipes. So today we're making sole meunière. Let's have a look at the ingredients. You're going to need sole, flour, olive oil, quite a bit of butter, pepper, salt and lemon. The first thing we're going to do is the beurre noisette. We're going to put 3/4 of the butter in a small saucepan, put on medium heat and let it become a nut butter. You shouldn't mix, but you have to keep an eye on it. So check on the color, you do a little swirl like this. We can hear that the sound is changing. Actually, we can see that it's browning. I'm smelling. Yep, it smells like nuts, so this is ready. So when you're going to buy your soles, you need to ask your fish vendor to remove the black skin, but the black skin only. The sole has two skin, the dark skin and the white skin. The white skin is delicious, you should keep it on the fish. Now is the tricky part. It's not very tricky, you just need to be organized. First, we're going to heat up the non-stick pan with half the quantity of fat, so half the quantity of butter and oil. Then we're going to pat dry the soles. They need to be dry when we put them in the pan, otherwise they won't brown. So, and you have to do this at the very last minute, otherwise the moisture in the soles will come out and you won't have a nicely browned soles. So I'm going to pat dry the first sole. I'm going to season it. Salt, pepper on both sides. And now we're going to flour it. You don't want tons of flour, just a tiny bit. We're going to tap it to remove the excess flour. We're going to start cooking the white skin first. I can hear the bubbles. The butter starts browning a tiny little bit. So we're ready. Skin side down first. 2 minutes. Not brown enough. Brown enough. So we're gonna flip it and cook it for 1 more minute on the other side. It's been 1 minute, now I'm putting it in a dish. And it's going to wait in an 80-degree oven. While the fish are cooking, you can squeeze the lemon. If you're ready to serve, you can pour the lemon juice on top. And then the final step is to pour the nut butter, which is very practical with the nut butter, is that if your fish had to wait a little and it's starting to cool too much, you can pour the warm nut butter and it's going to warm it up. The sole meunière is ready. I would love to hear from you. Please let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or if the recipe worked for you. But for now, I say thank you so much for watching and I hope you have a nice day.